Raiders is playing a 6-day tournament. His mom is helping with the tournament, and she says that on Saturday there will be 54 players. Can you visualize that in your head?
Yeah.
54 players out on this field, Nick. Greg knows that each team has 9 players. Okay? Each team, 54 players out on the field, but I've got to put these players into what? Got to put them into groups. Groups of what? Why? B, turn to your partners and tell them, why am I putting these 54 players in groups of 9?
Because there's
Turn and tell
9
them.
in each team.
Y'all decide? Good. I like the way you problem solve without me. Macaroni cheese. Who can raise their hand and tell me why I'm putting this in groups of 9, Noah?
Because there's 9 players.
There's 9 players on a team in baseball. But we don't. Do we know how many teams? Excuse me. Do we know how many players are on a team?
No, we don't know how many.
Listen, Ben. Do we know how many players are on a team?
No, yes.
What do
But
we
we
not?
don't know how many teams are there.
Perfect. We know how many players are on the team. We don't know how many teams there are. And so that's what Greg's mom is helping him. The team is playing a 6-day tournament. His mom says that Saturday there's going to be 54 players out on this field.
But we don't know.
And she's got to put those 54 players, Greg knows they got to go in groups of 9 because there's 9 players on a field. And so now he says, but I don't know how many teams. Isn't that what you just said we were finding, Ben? So we know there's 54 players out there on the field. There's going to be 9 players on each team, groups of 9,
But we don't know how many teams.
but we don't know how many teams. Can you help me solve that?
Yes.
I'll read it one more time. If you want to write the equation on your board or solve first, you may. Greg loves to play baseball. His team, the Raiders, is playing in a 6-day tournament. Is that information that we need to solve the problem, the 6-day tournament? His mom is helping with the tournament, and she says that on Saturday there were 54 players. Okay, get your equations or strategies ready. And on that field, Greg knows that each team has to have 9 players. But he doesn't know how many teams. So Ben says we have to find out how many teams are on this or in this tournament. Go. When you're done.